Please put your hands together for Ikechi.
Good morning, everyone. How many of us were here yesterday? Sorry, I can't see you clearly. How many of us? Raise your hands. How was it? How's it been so far? Oh, great, great, great. So we're here to talk about breaking the ice with users. So for a start, I was working on this marriage registry platform, actually a marriage planner um, product for, not really the product, yeah, I was working on building it for someone, like creating a wedding planning event, like an event for someone, yeah. And I came across this page where I noticed there was a little bit of humor on that page. It will be shown somewhere later on in the slides. And it came to my mind that everything doesn't have to be too serious, right? I mean, life is already hard. There's a lot going on. There's Ukraine, Russia, Boko Haram. People are going through a lot, yeah? So I figured it will make sense if we tend to add a little bit of humor to our work as designers, even as developers. I mean, as product people, it will make sense to add a little bit of humor to whatever it is we are doing, yeah? So I figured, yeah, sorry, 1 second. I'm not sure why this is not working. Okay, cool. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, it will make sense to do this. So I figured let's talk about breaking the ice with users. Humor meets design. How many of us are eager to hear what's gonna happen at the meeting between humor and design? How many of us? Oh, the rest of us, man, I guess you can leave the hall since you're not interested. So I'll ask again, how many of us are interested to know what happens at the meeting between humor and design? Like I have the minutes of that meeting, and yeah, we're going to talk about that right away. So why you should listen to me? We are here already, so I guess you don't have any choice. We're just here for 5 minutes. So like I said, there's a lot going on in the world. People are going through a lot. There's people here are going through a lot. There's killings everywhere. People are frustrated. There's no money. There's a lot going on, and people want things that will make them happy, something that would make them feel relaxed. So when we design products that people would use, we expected to at some point, it mustn't be like at every touch point, right? At some point, let's make sure people are able to feel warmed, people are able to feel welcome to using your products. I mean, so every job people do, for you to excel at whatever you do, you have to be exceptional at what you do. You have to do things that are different from the regular, right? I mean, check out this guy now. He's not your regular traffic warden. And as a matter of fact, this guy got an award for this. So helping you or helping people have enjoy the relevance or benefits of your work is to also give you, I mean, you're making people happy. It's also going to give you joy and help you get results quicker than people would normally, I mean, your regular guys would normally do out there. So yeah, this guy, like I said, just he got an award for this. Like, this is not, like I said, your regular traffic warden. So what is even happiness? What's happiness? Happiness is your being. It's something that you feel within you. It's not just a state of being joyful or excited. So even when you feel sad, happiness, you being a happy person is that thing that gives you courage to face your frustrating moments and your terrible moments. So from a comedian's point of view, happiness comprises of a setup and a punchline. So a setup is your environment, everything around you, and then your punchline occurs when you switch that direction in a way the users are not expecting, right? So for instance, even in that guy doing that thing, you don't expect to come to the road and see somebody doing all the gesticulations. So that would give you a sense of feeling that, oh, this guy is, I mean, doing something different, right? But we are not here to talk about madness-centered design. I mean, we are not at that point where we want to do designs where on every page users go to, they are laughing. That wouldn't make sense, right? But you want to do that which users will go to a point and they're like, oh, this guy's actually thought about me when doing, creating this design. So what makes things funny? I'll be quick. There are a couple of theories. Incongruity theory. Here's a theory of surprise, where users don't expect these things to happen, like that guy you saw on the road. Superiority theory. So for those of us who remember when Kuda was trending for having lost balances, zero balances. So Payday came up the next day to say your wallet balance is safe with us. When we are done shipping, when we are done deploying, you shall see your money. So we're trying to shade Kuda and tell them, hey, yeah, without mentioning their name, obviously. Then the next is, why are you not working? Okay. The next is relief theory. This is mostly done or used. So this is relief theory, right? Um, yeah, this is mostly used in four pages. So these are other examples we have here. Then Frank Clark says that I think the next best thing to solving a problem is finding some humor in it. So there are ways to stay happy and engage yourself in funny materials, read, watch videos, try to make yourself relaxed, and eat very well. All this will make you have happiness within you so that you can be able to give it out to other users. Thank you very much.